this is how we judge for mass communication. Now I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate your assistive touch button. You can see I don't have any floating button. You can do this to iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. For this you have to find setting option. Here we go. You see setting here, hit the setting option. In the setting option you have to slide down and find this option. It's called accessibility. Hit this one. In accessibility you see very simple touch option. Hit this touching option. First option you can see here, assistive touch is off here. Hit for on. Assistive touch on here. Done. You see the button is available here. Is done. Now slides go out. The button you have here is working and fine. It's very simple tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till then, bye.